If you're thinking about using aerosimdz.com, you should probably do a little research first. That's exactly what I did. And here's what I found. At first glance, the website doesn't reveal much. It has a valid SSL certificate, which means your connection is encrypted. But that's only one small piece of the puzzle. The bigger concern is trust. Several website reputation checkers give aerosimdz.com a low or mixed trust rating. One source labels it as high risk, while another says there isn't enough independent information available to fully trust the site yet. The domain is also relatively new, which makes it harder to judge its long-term reputation. I also noticed that there are very few genuine customer reviews online. That's always something I pay attention to. When a website has little history and limited user feedback, it's difficult to know what kind of experience you'll actually get. Now, does that automatically make aerosimdz.com a scam? Not necessarily. There isn't enough evidence to say it's a confirmed scam. But there also isn't enough proof to confidently call it a trustworthy website either. So my recommendation is simple. If you decide to use aerosimdz.com, be careful. Avoid making large purchases right away. Use a secure payment method that offers buyer protection. And check for recent customer reviews before spending any money. Overall, I'd give aerosimdz.com a cautious rating. It's not a website I'd fully trust at the moment, mainly because of its limited reputation and the warning signs reported by independent website checkers.